Hello, and welcome to this short presentation on how to install and configure the Linearis remote control CCTV software. This software is compatible on Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. To obtain the latest copy of the Linearis remote control software, please go to the Alert Systems website at www.alertsystems.co.uk. Once there, click on the Support tab and come down and either sign up or sign in. Follow the links to the Linearis webpage and download the remote control software. Remember to save the installation file to a location that you can easily access. In this example, I've installed the remote control software onto a Windows XP machine. If you're using Windows Vista or Windows 7, additional boxes may appear. If so, just click on the appropriate button to progress the installation. For example, Continue, Allow, Yes, etc. To install the Linearis remote control software, double-click on the installation file and a wizard box should appear. Click on the Next box, and then if you agree with the terms and conditions of the license, put a dot in the Accept box and click on Next. This box here shows you the location of where the software will be installed. You can change this, but I recommend you keep it as it is. And then click on Install. The progress bar will appear, and this will take 1 to 2 minutes to install the software. Once the software is installed, it will automatically prompt you to reboot your computer. Do that simply by clicking on the Finish button. Before you can configure the Linearis remote control software, you'll need to know the following information: the IP address, the username, and the password. To launch the software, come down to the Start button, come to Programs or All Programs, and come across to March Networks. In here there are two icons for the software, Linearis Remote Control and Linearis Remote Control Window Mode. We're going to use the Window Mode one, but instead of launching it from here, I'm going to right mouse click, and in the box that comes up, come up to the Send To option, and then come across and click on the Desktop Create Shortcut. And this will create a shortcut icon onto your desktop. Now that the icon is on your desktop, come across to it and double click on it to launch the application. The remote control application may take between about 30 or 40 seconds before it loads. Once loaded, come across to the Login button and click on it once, and you'll see the Available Servers box appear. Come down to that and click on the Add button, and you'll see the Profile Settings box appear. It's within this box that you can enter your specific information. Firstly, I'm going to put in the name of the site. I'm going to make sure that the IP address box is the one that has the dot in it, and then I'm going to come down to the IP address boxes and type in the IP address for my digital video recorder. You'll notice there is an additional box, but leave that blank. That will self-populate with its own number. Come down to the Login box and enter the Login ID, and then come down to the Password box and enter your password. Leave the adaptive quality as high and put a tick in the Connect using adaptive compression box, and then click on OK. And you'll notice that your site has now been entered. Click on it once to select it, then come down to the Connect box and click on Connect. And after a few seconds, the video pictures will start to stream through.